The sky is endless, quiet, peaceful. So let me ask you something. In a sky this big, how can two airplanes ever crash into each other? On one evening over Delhi, the sky gave a terrifying answer. Every minute, thousands of airplanes fly above us. They cross each other safely, every single day. Invisible roads guide them. Strict rules control them. And voices on the radio keep them apart. This system almost never fails. Almost. One airplane was flying toward Delhi, a Kazakhstan Airlines flight. Passengers were calm. The journey was almost over. Another airplane had just left Delhi, a Saudi Airlines Boeing 747, full of workers, families and dreams, flying toward a new life. Two planes, two stories, unaware they were moving toward the same point in the sky. High above Haryana. Their air routes crossed. From this point, both planes entered the same flight path, flying directly toward each other. Only one thing was keeping them safe. Height. Just 1,000 feet. Inside the Kazakhstan plane, there was a hidden problem. The pilots did not understand English clearly, but all air traffic instructions were in English. One man translated every message, every word, every second. And in the sky, seconds can decide life or death. Air traffic control gave a clear instruction: descend to a certain height and stay there. But the message was delayed or misunderstood. The plane kept going down, lower and lower, straight toward danger. The controller saw it. Two planes, same path, same height. He warned the Kazakhstan flight, there is traffic ahead. The message was sent, then translated, but time was running out. Inside both cockpits, everything felt normal. No alarms, no panic. Then a violent explosion ripped through the sky. Metal struck metal. Wings were torn apart. Fire filled the air. In seconds, both planes lost control. People on the ground heard a thunderous blast. They looked up and saw fire falling from the sky. The wreckage crashed into fields and villages. When the smoke cleared, there were no survivors. 349 lives were gone. The investigation revealed painful truths. The Kazakhstan plane descended too low. Language confusion delayed warnings. The controller kept too little distance. Radar systems were outdated. No single mistake, just many small ones, stacked together. After this tragedy, aviation changed. Planes were given collision warning systems. Pilots were required to speak English clearly. Air traffic control became smarter and safer. The sky learned its lesson. Today, planes still cross safely above us. The sky looks calm again, but somewhere over Delhi, the air remembers a night when silence turned deadly. Because sometimes, it's not the size of the sky that matters, but the smallest mistake inside it.